Okay, today I'm going to show how to find properties near in a particular area. We'll go ahead and log in. And I'm going to filter on a location. I'm going to use the %, so I can find things like a particular that contain a particular word. I'm going to put in the word Druid, D-U-R-I-D, because one of the houses Daddy Drake owns is on Druid Hill Drive. And so click OK to run the filter. And this is not Dad's property, but it's a house near it. Dad's property is not in the tax sale list, of course. And this one's not in the tax sale list either. It was on the CD that we got from the courthouse, but notice that the year sold is blank and the tax bid is blank, meaning it's not been actually sold to the state. You can verify this if you go up here, and then I'm going to go to Jefferson County Tax Info. I'm going to copy this parcel number. Search on parcel number. Got to delete the little dot in there. And then do search. And yeah, there's no little red thing saying that it's been sold. So it's, but we'll look up the address. Go straight to Google Maps. Brings up the address here. It's this house with the blue tarp around the front of it. I actually met the man who owns this now, black man. I have his number somewhere. He does remodeling just like we do. Works with his sons, and good stuff. Scroll around the street view. That's Dad's house right there. Okay, so that shows you this is a house nearby. So how do we find other houses in the same area? Well, this data set is sorted by parcel number. I found somewhere, I'm going to add a link that explains exactly what all these parts of the parcel number mean. But generally speaking, these are things in the further down you go in the parcel number, the closer you are to the same property, right? So I'm going to just start off with, just going to copy this. I'm going to change my filter to say, get rid of this address, and then I'm going to look for things greater than or equal to this parcel number. Click OK, and you see the first one that came up is the same one, 1586 Druid Hill Drive, and there are other properties in the same area. If I bring this over to my Google Maps, you'll see this is 1586 Druid Hill Drive, and you'll see all these other red ones are properties in the same area. Okay, that one looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good. So does that one. So they look decent. But I bet there's some others that are closer by that I'm not picking up. So I'm going to change my filter, and I'm just going to delete some of the end of this number. So I'm just now going from, so instead of going for this entire parcel number or greater. I'm just going through things that are like close to it. So I'm going to rerun my filter. So we see, again, here's 1586 Druid Hill Drive. Here's Fred Shuttlesworth Drive, which is just one block over. So I only picked up one new one. I'm going to change my filter a little bit more. Let me delete all the way to here. So I'm getting anything greater than or equal to 220026 on the parcel number. And OK again. Huh. I didn't pick up anything extra. That's surprising. Change my filter again. Anything starting with 2200. Okay, so now I'm picking up some more in this area, and a lot more of these have been sold. See how many pages before I get to Druid Hill off of this filter. See several on Fred Shuttlesworth. Got a whole lot in here. Put that back in. Trying to find the sweet spot. Let's see. So there's quite a few before you get to filter one more time. 220026. Just playing with it. Now that brings you right there. 5. Four. Okay, yeah. So this, I missed it when I was looking here earlier. So these are properties that are near Druid Hill Drive. Really, I think if we want to just get anything in the Birmingham area, as long as we do anything that starts with 22002, click OK. I'm going to see, let's see where all these are in the Birmingham area on the map. So Google Maps. Okay. This is Pratt City. Scroll out a little bit. Okay, so this is going a little bit further north. All right. But I want to go ahead and get right in the area near where we are. Let's see. So let me go back to five. Okay. Now, I'm going to add another filter on here. I only want to look at stuff that has a tax bid on it. So I'll just say tax bid greater than 0. Add that to my filter. All right. So let's look at this on Google Maps. Okay, I've been here before. This is some type of business. So go ahead and save this image and upload it. It's going to put condition business. We may look into business, buying business, commercial buildings at some point. Not doing that now. All right, let's look at the next one. Got 2720 Fred Shoulders-worth. I don't see anything, so that's an empty lot. Let's look at 1425. All right, looking from the street view, it's hard to tell which one it is, so I'm going to look from the overhead view. I think it's this one right here. Looking from above, see this discoloration on the roof.